Okay, so hello guys, I'm back literally like the split second after finishing part 1. So I'm in the exact same spot I was. I just wanted to cut the video in half, so film 2 parts. So we are going to be titling the rest of Pinhook Lake today. Just to recap from the last video, smallest lake I know of on my list for lakes around here. Part of the St. Joe River, and for that reason it looks a lot like a river, but it's a lake, because it got cut off, and it's a park, so you can come here easily and go to this lake. Quick lake to paddle around, at least for someone like me, so just a nice little evening trip, but still very fun. I still don't see that boat anywhere. The last video we were looking for a boat that was on this lake that had a trailer backed into here, or a trailer from earlier, I don't know. And I just don't see them anywhere. They must be around this peninsula, like this little cove thing. I don't know, it's hard to tell because I've never really been on this side of the lake before, obviously, because this is my first time. There's quite a few giant weeds here, like big ones. Types that I've never really seen before, but I don't know. It's a different lake. I have no idea if this lake has been infested with invasive species or not, also because it's separated off from the rest of the lakes. There's no connection. This lake has no connection to any other lakes or rivers. I think just certain water flows into it, and then nothing comes out, like little pipes and stuff from the city, but it's kind of weird. Whenever I go to any lake in the middle of like South Bend, like Fogo Creek, and that's in Osceola, but it's still pretty close, or like Pinhook Lake, which I'm in now, you feel like you're in the middle of the wilderness when in reality you're like right outside the city or like almost in the middle of it. It's just weird. There's quite a few lily pads over here. There's quite a bit of underwater scenery. I'll just say that. Over here, lots of weeds and just lots of. I still haven't seen one fish in this lake yet, though. Not a minnow, not a bass or anything. So I'm still waiting for that. But there's people fishing, so I don't know what that means. Oh, tell me if you can hear that. That's a airplane flying by. It's flying right over my head. That's cool. So we're almost around this tree, and this is going to reveal the last part of the lake, which I feel like it should be kind of big, but I don't know. I feel like this lake is going to be bigger than I thought, or bigger than I think. Yeah, here's this spot I was thinking about. There's actually a house on this lake. That's cool. At least one house, 2 houses on this lake. it looks like they actually, I feel like they might even have a canoe or something. I think they're home, but I don't see anyone out in the backyard. Once I get in front of their yard, I'll turn a little bit so you can see them better, or the house. And then I'll tell you what boats it looks like they have. Okay, so it looks like there's 3 houses. Okay, I'm just gonna get a little bit farther to show you. So here's the setup that they have. They have a canoe, and then it's like one or two houses, well, 2 or 1 houses, and like some other boat. They have quite a few little boats. That's kind of cool. Although they don't have a dock, but they have a fence to, like, blocking them from the lake by just a little bit. Let's see if there's anyone else over on this little spot. Oh, hey, tell me if you can see that right now. Oh, you can't tell me. It's a video. There is that fishing boat from earlier. I can see them. They're way back in the corner over there. Okay, back to the houses. There's one house here. And actually, no, there's like 1, 2 houses over here. Turn so you can see them again. It's bushes, so you can't really tell, but they're there, whether you can see them or not. And then I can't believe someone would put a boat this big on this lake. Actually. I mean, that's just crazy. They're smart, but crazy at the same time. Boat they have. Do they have like a massive boat? I don't know, that's a weird boat. But they took the effort to back their boat in here. It must be good if they put their boat in here. It must be. I don't want to get too close to them because it's never nice to be. Pay attention. Another boating safety rule from Sam. This is not about life jackets this time, though. It's never get too close to a boat that people are fishing on. And also, fishing boats, they always have the right of way. That means that if you see a boat fishing and they're heading for you, you have to move out of the way. Sort of. And I don't want to get too close to these guys at all. And it looks like they're using the trolling motor, so they're moving too. So we have a moving. Ooh, and they have a dog on their boat. Okay, I don't want to come back here too far for that specific reason, but still. Okay, they're turning in my direction now. Okay. I'm gonna cut across the lake here. Yeah, this is cool how it turns back like this. Makes this lake feel a lot bigger. And here's the sun again. Okay. Wow, this is cool how deep it is here. It's like deep enough that you can see the bottom, but not too shallow that you're gonna hit bottom. So it's like, I don't know, it's just cool. sun's going to be shining on us pretty much the entire time. I'm pretty sure it's unavoidable. And we just went through a patch of lily pads. Yeah, I'm running out of things to say, sort of. I don't know. I think the thing that I can take away from this lake is that a lake, just because it's small, I mean, this lake obviously is not that small. I've been on lakes far smaller than this. Like, I think the smallest lake I've been on was, I don't know, like 3¼ acres, roughly. And this is 28, so it's a lot bigger than that. But for a lake that has public access that I've been to, this is the smallest. Yeah, I don't want this video to be too long, but I don't know, this side of the lake is a lot bigger than I thought it'd be pretty equal with like what side of the lake is the biggest and like there'd be two sides, but actually one side is a lot bigger than the other. Yeah, as I said back in the last part, I hope there's not too much water on the camera. I think that happened in one of my videos. The most notable one, at least for me, is when I paddled around Pleasant Lake, yeah. Back at the start of this year, sort of. There was like a really annoying drop of water on the camera. And whenever I go on a lake, I hope that never happens. Because, wow, is it annoying. Yeah, this is gonna have to be a long part. I'm sorry for like someone who wanted to watch a nice short video, but this is not a nice short video at all. It's a ridiculous long video that I don't know. Hopefully it's successful. Please just let this be successful. Because I checked how many subscribers one of my friends has. He has 43 subscribers. And I don't even want to think that there's someone, I mean, how can playing some game on your tablet or whatever be better than watching someone waste their time go kayaking on lakes? I'll never understand. Yeah, I just have nothing to say. I just want to get this video over with. I might just end it over here, maybe. Because there's just people, and I don't know if I want to film them. Because sometimes people have issues with being on camera, and they figure it out, and when it gets all complicated. So, plus, you've already seen this part of the lake just from this part and the last part. So, I think I'm gonna end it here. stay tuned for next time. And go kayaking yourself. Like, subscribe, comment, all that. Goodbye.